CCA course. In this course, we learn the basics of the computer. In this present generation, we must know about basics. What is computer? Computer is an electronical mechanical device which takes input, process data and produce information. Data is the collection of facts and figures. Process means manipulating data. Information is the processed data. User where there is lots of information is stored and lots of problems are solved. We have both advantages and disadvantages in computer. Advantages: speed, accuracy, storage. Disadvantages: it cannot learn from its own experience. We should give It cannot learn from experience. We should give detailed explanation. Usually, errors are occurred by humans. Hardware, software, hardware means physical appearance of the computer system are called hardware. Software, set of programs are called software. The person who interacts with the computer are called hardware. Software is one of two types: system software, application software. Application software is a set of programs which are used to calculate the problems like word star, tally, D-base, etc. System software is designed to control the entire programs of the computer. Let us see. Input, arithmetic logic unit, control unit, and memory unit. Both arithmetic and logic units and control unit are called microprocessors. Input devices such as keyboard, mouse, monitor, printer, so on, and output devices such as printer, scanner, speaker. Let us see the memory unit. Memory unit is a place where data is stored. It is of two types: primary memory and secondary memory. Primary memory is also called temporary memory and secondary memory is also called permanent memory. CPU stores directly information from the primary memory and secondary memory stores the information permanently. Primary memory is of two types: RAM. RAM means random access memory and read-only memory. When the power is cut off or switched off, the system will erase the information permanently. In this room, the information will not be erased when the system is off. Secondary memory is of two types: internal, external. These are about the fundamentals of the computer. Thank you.